If Outlook is giving you an error today, the very first thing you should do is check whether the problem is actually on Microsoft's side. In many cases, Outlook errors happen because of a temporary outage, and no amount of resetting on your device will fix it until the service comes back online. So before you waste time changing settings, let's check the status the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Service Health page. This page shows whether Microsoft services are currently experiencing issues. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find Outlook.com under Microsoft Consumer Products. This is the section that tells you if Outlook is having a known outage or service disruption. If Outlook.com shows that the service is running normally, then the error is likely happening on your side, or it may just be a temporary sign-in issue. In that case, the simplest fix is to restart the Outlook app completely and try again. Close Outlook fully, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. If you're using Outlook in a browser, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. If you're seeing a message like something went wrong, or if Outlook keeps failing to load, don't panic. Sometimes these errors clear up after a few minutes. Microsoft services can have short delays, login interruptions, or temporary syncing issues that resolve on their own. So if the service looks fine, give it a little time and try again shortly after. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because a weak or unstable connection can trigger Outlook errors that look like account problems. If needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or reconnect your network and try once more. The key idea here is simple. Check the Microsoft Service Health page first, confirm whether Outlook.com is affected, and if everything is running normally, restart the app or wait a few minutes before trying again. Doing this will most likely prevent the error from popping up again and save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting. If this helped you fix Outlook today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.